Hello and welcome to yet another video from Trillion Pips Forex. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so. All right, so today we'll be looking at news events in the market. If you noticed the movement in the market yesterday, you notice a very strong push to the upside around, I think around 5 o'clock or so, 5, 6 o'clock in the evening. All right, so this kind of push usually almost occurs when there is a news release. Yesterday, there was the FOMC rate decision. The Federal Open Market Committee, that is FOMC, and the Board of Governors of the Federal Reserve together decides the interest rates in the US. Now, when they release such data, it pushes the market very hard. And if you're not careful in the market, you get erratic movement like the one we had yesterday. Not that it won't go to your direction, but it might spike to your stop loss, then now move in your direction. All right. Already, from what we've been looking, we've seen from the 4-hour chart that we've been on an uptrend. So usually we expect the market to move up. So if you check, sometimes the news actually still follows price action. That is, it follows what price is doing, higher highs and higher lows. Someone was able to catch the move within the group. Commend you for that. It just goes to show how well you guys have understood what I'm teaching. I'm very proud and happy with you guys. All right, so this news event, how can we find out about them so that we can either trade better or avoid the market during such period? All right, so there are various sites you can go to check if there is going to be a news event or news release on that particular day. One of them is the Daily FX. All right, so this is the site. All right, you just type in dailyfx.com and you get this site. Now, there are other information about the news in the market that you could read here, but what we're interested in is the calendars, the economic calendar. Right, so we'll click on the economic calendar. Now, the economic calendar will show you all the news events for that particular day. You can check the one for the previous day or the next day. All right, so we have them color coded. The ones in blue are low impact. That means even when the news is released, it doesn't really impact the market much. The one in orange, it means it's a medium impact news. It might affect the market a little bit. But the ones in red, like let's see if we have any red events today. Yeah, like this one now, the inflation rate, when it's going to be released, it's going to affect the market. It's going to impact the market highly. All right, let's look at yesterday's news, the one that actually moved that market high. All right, so a lot of news, high impact news yesterday. See red. We have the Australian dollar, the German economy too. News was released. All right, let's look at the one that pushed the market hardest. This is the one that pushed it. This federal interest rate decision. You can click on it and read more about the federal interest rate decisions. All right, so this is the news that pushed the market hard, and you can see the time for the news. The time is by the side and the information about the news is here. All right, so whenever you want to trade for the day, it's good you come to the calendar, economic calendar, and check. Remember, I told you guys that there are fundamental and technical traders. There are some people that trade just this news. They look for high impact news like this and put pending orders in the market because they know it's going to push one side or the other. So they just put pending orders for buys and pending orders for sell. When the market pushes, it now takes them into the trade. and they make profit. Call them fundamental traders. But remember, we're technical traders. We are not fundamental traders. All right. So we just look at it to know when to avoid the market or to better lock in our profit. Let's say you are in a running trade with profits and you see that around your trade is still running and a high impact news is supposed to be released. It's a good practice for you to lock in your profits. That means you move your stop loss to break even. All right. So this is all basically what I want to share with you guys this morning about the news. Remember the site again, Daily FX. You can get all the news that is to be happening and you can know which one will impact the particular currency pair you're trading more based on this color code you used. Right. So thank you very much and I'll see you in class. If you have any question based on this, you can ask. For those of you who have not joined our mentorship, it's you could actually still join. All you need to do is open the trading account with our recommended broker. I'll leave the link below this video and send us a message. Join our Telegram group, then send us a DM. We're going to add you to our mentorship group for free. The offer will expire very soon, so I recommend you take advantage of it. Once you fund your account, you just DM us and we'll add you to our mentorship. The reason why we're doing this is this is basically a free training. We're doing it to know who is really interested or are interested in improving their life, learning how to trade. So, like I said, I'll leave the link below for you to open your trading account. Once you open the trading account, you fund it, then you send us a DM. I'll also leave a link to our Telegram group where you can join and also get more free resources like this. Thank you very much and have a great day.